Gergely Ellenrieder from Hungary, from Budapest. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Aeriu. Aeriu is a drone software company. We are using drones for inventory checking.
The drone itself has a big advantage that it can fly. Using any inventory control cycle counting with drones is much safer than using a forklift. If you have a big warehouse with a huge amount of units inside, then we cut your inventory checking time to half.
So we are flying indoor in the warehouses and taking pictures.
We have a tablet on the controller itself. It collects the data that the drone provides and sends it to the cloud.
And those are big pictures, so we need to have really strong bandwidth. We need to have a really strong network to be able to upload the pictures really fast.
File upload, that is the bottleneck of the technology currently.
Without the API, our measurement is 12 seconds in our average per picture. And we are expecting 6 to 8 seconds for sure. That's why we are here, and that's what we would like to test it during the week. To halve down the time is a lot of cost saving for us because of the architecture also, and it's also needed because of the operational for customers. So we will see the results, but I'm pretty sure that it would be a great benefit for our team, our company, and also technology.